good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today I'm headed over to Lawless, checking on the Camaro, man. Just hit me up, and they trying to wrap it up today, man. So I'm about to slide over there, see how far they done made it, see what they got going on, kind of film some of the process, catch some of that, cause I just been in house chilling, man. I ain't had nothing to do today. Pretty day, cause both of my rides over there chilling, man. I've been this close to thinking about buying another crate engine for Meech, man. Just like I put in wifey car, no lie. This close, I'm telling you, I've been thinking about buying a crate engine just to put back in Meech. Cause I'm about to have this 700 manual valve body, transmission and all that good stuff. But either way, I'm about to make a move this month. One of them cars gonna be back running. Cause I'm getting the Camaro back. So one of these cars about to be back running, man. Either it's gonna be you, Meech, or it's gonna be you, Dolo. But Dolo, your engine, it might be Dolo. Dolo engine should be ready soon. That's all I can say. Dolo should be ready soon. My hood popping days might be over for a second. I'm gonna go to the dyno with it though. I'm big boy. So I don't know. I don't know. My mind will change. I don't know. So I'm about to head on, hopping this Denali, head on to Lawless and see what Jesse and the crew got going on. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, we checking in, y'all. We checking in, man. Get me wrapped up. Blow off valve on. I remember last time all this went on. Blow off valve on. Wastegate. We just gotta plug the we gotta hook the CO2 lines up in there. They just push lock. So the CO2 gonna go in there. That's where we got the fittings. And there's a 3-pound spring, so it ain't gonna make but 3 pounds of boost until I turn the CO2 on there. So yeah, got that wrapped. All that, man. Got the exhaust dump. But that's it right here. The exhaust coming out right there now. So I'm gonna have a hole in the fender. We're gonna have a hole in the bumper for right now, but we're gonna go back and change it. We're gonna go back and change it. So gonna see, they're gonna get it wrapped up, so y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so checking in, getting it wrapped up. He putting the CO2 lines on now. Got everything ready. It was just told me I got to get some fans. I ain't realized this. So this something good for y'all to know. You can see it too, these fans fat, but they ain't gonna work. Put your fans on the back side, and like we got the radiator from the factory. The radiator leans down. So let me go outside. Let me go outside and talk, y'all, cause I can't be getting what's in here. But yeah, I gotta get the fans. So either way, you know, from the factory, these fans, they lean. So you're gonna have to either stand your radiator up, and like I said, I just talked to my boy John Doc. Just hit him up, my fan Richard with the blue turbo Camaro, cause he had one too. Y'all know John Doc, Mr. L Body himself, so I know he know. And he was like, get the Griffin kit. Both of them said it, so I'm about to go home and order it. They're like, get the Griffin kit. They make a kit for it, come with a radiator. I'm gonna take the pricing on it, of course. They make a kit where you can stand the radiator up and everything. It's shorter and all that. But I like to retain my AC on the car, so I would have to have some AC lines made custom and all that, which Richard just told me that can get expensive too. So I'm gonna see how deep I get into. I got to have the AC on it now. My whole thing was AC and horsepower and snowball, so I got to have the AC on it. So either way, I'm gonna get and jump on the computer and start plugging away and see how much I'll be looking at. See if I want to spend it or not. Which y'all know me, I probably will. I don't really care. I just like the stuff done right and properly. Then I want what I want. So that's where we at right now. Like I said, they wrapping up. I'm trying to just stay over here so y'all can hear it. Cause I want to hear the car. I ain't heard it in a long time, so I want to hear it with the Huron speed kit. Crank it up with no big exhaust leaks and boost leaks and all that stuff like I had in the old piping, as I found out later, cause I really didn't know. I didn't have an idea till I took it out of the car. And till I actually sold the kit to my peeps, and then he like, hey, there go your problem right there. And I looked like, man, I said, it's crazy. Cause you know, when my aunt took it off, he just stuck it in a box. I just picked the box up from the shop. I never went through the kit. So I don't know, we're gonna see what we got. Then try to get to the dyno and all that. So all I can say, y'all just stay tuned. Everything back. Got tore the battery up. See all my stuff here. Everything is. Alright, y'all, we checking back in. Y'all see, then I wrapped it up, got the front. Look like a car again now. It looked like a car again now, so y'all heard it, fired back up. Chris right there getting it in, wrapping it up. Intercooler sent pretty right there. Yeah. So then we got left over the fan. Yeah, take that out to make the intercooler fit. Built my radiator holder, but I'm gonna put that back. The old turbo coil, hot side, and they just bolt back up there on the top, and it's a wrap. So I'll be picking this thing up tomorrow, man. I gotta put it on the trailer cause we ain't got no fan. Then when I get the kit and all that, I just bring it back and all that. But I'm going to get that order that they got in stock. I'm just go pick it up. I'll just ride something tomorrow, just buy it, bring it back. So. And I gotta wait for the power steering lines to come. John over at Huron Speed, he got my lines coming out. They'll be here Thursday. Like I said, y'all make sure to go hit up Huron Speed for that good stuff. So I got the power steering relocation lines coming, all that. Like I said, we're gonna take it back to the house, get it at the house and all that. Then shoot, man, I don't know. I might take it and get it dyno. We can dyno and stuff, but it's gonna burn the power steering lines up fast. Can't let it run long cause the fan and stuff ain't on it. I'm gonna keep it cool. But we found a few more things that were wrong, like my oil feed line. My oil feed line had a bad spot in it, man. Some more stuff. But everything it tightened on. The Huron Speed kit fixed all of that. And yeah, man, running crispy still. Been sitting since February, and that thing fired right up. Run like a sewing machine after sitting all those months. So we might have to hit something. I'm gonna check that out. Get the fan, stand the radiator up, power steering relocation line, and it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's simple. But I told you I'll get the car back this week. So tomorrow we're gonna pick this thing up, take it to the house. I put it on a trailer, unload it, boom, boom, we back. Then later on, after we make some videos and all that, get the CO2 situated. Cause you got to actually go out and make some passes to see how much CO2 you need to flow. After I do all of that, then I bring it back and I let Jesse fabricate me a fender exit, and we'll do away with it dumping off on the car. I like my fender exit better. So, yep, y'all just stay tuned. I'll catch y'all when we get back to the house. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm back from Lawless Street Car. Good day, man. Good day, man. We got oil pressure. We back. Shout out to Jesse and the crew at Lawless Street Car. I got to get that stuff. Then I'm gonna be really driving it. But I might go up there tomorrow for a second and drive it and get some burnout smoke in front of the shop. I gotta bless their shop. I got to. So I might go do that. Cause I can drive it. It's ready. It's ready. It's gonna be only on 3 pounds of boost until I turn that CO2 on. Then we can take it through the moon. But other than that, it's ready. We got these two. My pretty wife right here. Yes. Look, y'all go ahead and wish her a happy birthday card. The time you seeing this is her birthday. You excited?
Yes, I am.
We gotta have her a party. My kids, our family, I told y'all she big on birthdays, so we gotta have a party, don't we? Yeah. We done playing, they playing me a party, then start spending Tina. Then Tina, we playing her party. Then mommy turn, then it's gonna be Shell's turn, cause y'all big on birthdays, ain't you? You and Tina big on birthdays, ain't you? They take it very serious.
My birthday is long away.
When your birthday?
November 13th.
Tina, when your birthday?
I don't know.
Well, at least she kept it real. You did October 19th. So when your birthday?
She used to know it. October 19th.
Right.
She used to know.
Showing y'all hair, y'all styling. Y'all got y'all hair done yesterday. Turn around showing your hair. Let me see. All right. Let's see yours. Showing what yours looking like. All right. Okay, they clean. But yeah, it's wife's birthday tomorrow, so we gonna turn up her birthday one more time. And me and her, y'all know me and her, we stay working out all the time, so we gonna double time. Then I'm finna start training the little one, the oldest.
You said
start
you were
training.
gonna train me today.
Not tonight. We supposed to start her training today. We're gonna start tomorrow, but I got too caught up with the Camaro. So that's it, y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in every day. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. I'm out.